In this tutorial, I will show you how to match cloth colors in photos. So let's get started. Pick any selection tool and select area you want to change the color. From Layers panel, click on Adjustment icon and choose Gradient Map. Make sure the Gradient Map layer selected, not the mask layer. Now click on Color Gradients. Double-click on this slider and pick color of the darkest area of the image. Now click here to make a new slider. Make sure it's exactly on the middle. Double-click and pick middle color of the image. Lastly, pick brightest area of the image and set brightness to 100%. Press Ctrl+G to make a group and drag mask layer onto group layer. Then make a levels layer and set it accordingly. And change levels mode to luminosity. This is the final results. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.